The brother was asking a question about jihad and about fighting the people until they bear witness that there is no God worthy worship but Allah. All of these matters are related. The Muslims right now are not ready to be fighting because most Muslims don't wake up for Fajr. If you go to the masjid, in your local masjid for Fajr, see how many people are praying in the first row. At the time of Iqamah, how many people? Then come back for Dhuhr and see how many people there are. 4 times the amount, maybe 5 times. Come Ramadan, the masjid does not fit the people. There isn't enough place in the masjid. Where did they come from? Where were they living? Were they living on the moon? And in Ramadan they landed on earth? No, these were the same neighbors, the same people that you don't even see in the masajid. So what fighting? And we need to fight against our shayateen. Not that we deny fighting for the sake of Allah. No one can deny it. No one can deny jihad. It's in the Quran, it's in the Sunnah, it's the peak of Islam. But Muslims have to first graduate from the children's school so we become men. When we are men, then on the battlefield, no one can play games with us. This is known. But we have to get there. How do we get there? By going back to the way our righteous predecessors practiced Islam. How did they practice Islam? Based on following the Sunnah. So there's a process. We need to live this process. Apply this process. Spread this process. When we go back to practice Islam as it was practiced in the early generation, Allah has promised us in the Quran, إِن تَنْصُرُوا اللَّهِ يَنْصُرْكُمْ وَيُثَبِّتْ أَقْدَامَكُمْ. If you aid Allah's deen, you can't aid Allah. Allah al-Qawi, al-Aziz, He doesn't need our aid. It means if you aid the deen of Allah, Allah will give you victory and will keep your feet firm.